Good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with a look at today's weather, the weekend weather, how long this warmer than normal weather will last, and a return to cold. So let's get to it and show you what's going on. And go ahead and hit the share button if you think it's worthy of it. Here's the current radar across Michigan. If you're doing any traveling today, should be pretty good. There are a little bit of flurry spots up in the northern part of lower Michigan, but nothing that is substantial whatsoever. Clouds should break a little bit today, and here are the high temperatures. Not bad, especially since the winds will be light. Looking at 33 Detroit and Ann Arbor, 35 Jackson and Lansing, 34, 35-ish Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, Grand Rapids. Right around freezing, Saginaw, Bay City, Midland, the Thumb, and into northern Michigan, upper 20s to about 32 in Traverse City, and across the UP temperatures in the mid 20s. Hey, good morning, Bob Clark. South Branch is 22, and South Branch is north of North Branch. All right, so into the weekend then. This is starting on Friday. Let me help you pick out. Here's lower Michigan, upper Michigan. What you're seeing is the pressure lines, and you're seeing the temperature lines aloft. And so the southwesterly wind is blowing in much milder air on Friday. And you've heard of some rain chances on the weekend. It's not real big of a rain chance. Okay, this is Friday night, late at night, actually 1 a.m., I'm sorry, Saturday morning. And then this is 7 a.m. Saturday morning. Phil Waddle wants to know when we can expect the next snow. I would say it's not coming until the end of next week when we'll be watching something. Cynthia Parks, GM from Flint. Good morning. Okay, so then we're into... This is Saturday afternoon, and you can see just a few light showers coming through. MLive or some guy from his home on his laptop? Yes, both. Some guy, Mark Torregrossa, at his home on his laptop for MLive. So we're into Saturday night, quieting down, cooling off. So your Saturday rain, I would say it's probably... In the southeast part of Michigan, I would say it's probably a couple of hundredths to 5/100ths of an inch of rain, off and on light showers. And while it's showering, the temperatures are in the mid 40s, so you don't have to worry about anything that is going to be anything icy. What's your summer prediction? I wrote a post about that, so if you search MLive, Torregrossa, drought, you should see my latest post talking about the summer. But I think if the drought in the Midwest continues, it's shaping up to be hot and dry, generally in the Great Lakes. What's the temp for Friday afternoon, Mark Nowak? Friday afternoon in most places is in the 40s, mid to upper 40s. Okay? So we're going to go into early next week, and we're just getting some spotty lake effect rain showers. And then I kind of want to scoot on to late in the week. We go back to, by Wednesday, another southwesterly mild flow, and that's probably our last. How strong will the southwest winds be? Please, some of us surf still. Okay. Southwest winds will probably be about 20 to maybe gusting to 30 miles an hour. All right, now we're going to go into late next week, and that's when we'll see our next chance of some snow. Too far out to tell how much just yet. I do want to show you that the weather pattern is going to be changing. Okay, these are the temperature anomalies. Yes, I wish I could hire a camera person to make me look fabulous. Yeah, Denise hates the whole super casual look. Well, I hate getting up 2 hours earlier and putting on a suit and makeup. Will the ice on southern lakes remain safe through these milder? I would say no, because we're going to have a lot of southwest wind and warm temperatures. So I would say it's a recipe for really dangerous. Okay, we are into next Wednesday, and these are temperature anomalies. So warmer than normal, colder than normal, and you should focus on this because it does look like there is a pattern change coming. Are the big lakes still gaining ice? I would think no at this point, because when you're into the 40s, it stops, especially with wind, and then it'll probably start to pick back up. But to get a big ice year, you have to have it continuous, and we're just not going to have that. Now, here is Thursday, next Thursday, and next Friday, and you can see the cold air that is building to the north. These are temperatures that are about 20 to 30 degrees colder than normal. And I'm going to end it out at 10 days, and you can see that there is some winter cold, temperatures below normal for this time of the year heading our way. So, I'm sorry, Amy Carras Savoy. Hopefully I got that right. Here's the 8 to 14 day temperature forecast for February 1st to 7th, and we'll finally get into some colder than normal air. I don't think it's going to be as cold as what we had in early January, but I think we could have some below zero mornings, inland areas, and especially northern lower Michigan and the UP. And it looks like it's probably going to stick around for a couple of weeks. So I think we're going to probably see cold, wintry weather like we should for at least the first 2 weeks of February, maybe first 3 weeks of February at least. Okay. She says I'm close to pronouncing her name. Hey, you know what's nice having the last name of Torregrossa? I get to mess up everybody's name and kind of have a get out of jail free card, because most people mess up my name too. So I try to get them close, but sometimes it doesn't work. I know. Thank Tripod. Yeah, you're all over that today, aren't you? Okay, so there we go. Leo Carter says, what about snow? Next semi-decent chance in the Great Lakes. That comes Thursday, Friday of next week. And right now it looks like it's more to our south into Indiana and Ohio and Kentucky. If you're traveling that way, I will keep you updated on that. And there you have it. Enjoy your weekend. Okay? Take care. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourself a great day.